Hello and welcome. My name is Miroslav Kovac. I'm from Pantheon Technologies, and today we are going to show you how you can run Pantheon improved SNMP Southbound plugin on Frings ODL. So first thing you need to do is to go to frings.io webpage. You go to support, download Frings ODL. As you can see, we are already here. Make sure you download Carbon distribution. So click on the zip file, download it and unzip it. We're not gonna do that because we already have it done. Next thing we need to do is to go to our local M2 repository, to org. If you don't have this folder, you can go ahead and just create it. And we need to copy from the distribution folder we just downloaded the whole Open Daylight folder. Press enter. Now we need to go to our Pantheon SNMP project. Make sure that you are on the Carbon Frings ODL branch. And we need to build this project using command maven clean install, and we can skip this because we don't need that. Now we need to go to our current target build it folder. And we need to copy the whole tech folder to our Frings distribution. The same thing we need to do with SNMP4J and Antler. The last thing we need to copy is Akka cluster tool. Now that we have all the needed files copied, we can go to our distribution and we can run the Karaf. When the Karaf is loaded, we need to add repository. The repository is called SNMP Southbound Features because Karaf normally doesn't recognize it, that we just added something in there. And now we can just feature install ODL SNMP Southbound all. We have a device with SNMP agent running on port 14,000, and now we're going to try to do it on the wrong port, just to see that we get 201 response created, which is good because mount point was created, but it is going to keep trying to connect to it, but it's not gonna be successful. It will always say unable to connect. So let's update this request to port 14,000. And now we should see that mount point was created to the device and device is ready to use. So right now it's just waiting for us to create some request. Let's do the request on MIB interfaces on our mounted device. and we can see that we've got a correct response 200. Okay, let's do one more on an MIP system. We can see that there are some information over here, and we can change the sysname value. Let's do that. We are going to change that value to the Pantheon tag. And whenever we see our GET request again, we can see that we updated the value sysname to Pantheon tag correctly. Let's try to add wrong object in there. This object ID is just read-only object, so we are not able to write there anything, but we're going to try anyway. We received 500 response, and we can see that variable sysObjectId is not writable, so the answer is correct. Let's try to do some RPC request. Let's get overall trap status. As we can see, we didn't set anything, so it didn't give us anything. Let's set it up and give it link up and link down. And right now we should see that we are getting counts of link downs and link ups in our trap list. Let's try to upload a couple of models. We received 200 response, which is correct, and now we can see that we added 4 young models to our SNMP device. Thank you for your attention.